Hey, I'm Seth Johnson with Land House, and you are watching the Playhouse Build Series. In this video, we are painting the playhouse. I hope you enjoy. It's super exciting to be at this stage of the build. I've got my daughter Emma, who has been very anxious to help put this paint on here. We've decided to actually go with a stain instead of a paint. Solid color acrylic siding stain, Ultralight, and it's the Cabot brand. So anyway, I'm gonna let her paint the floor down here and maybe some of the railing, and then I will begin working on the siding. I know painting is super boring, so maybe having a cute kid around will help the process just a little bit.
Dad,
yeah.
I want to do the paint.
You want to get the paint? All right, let's go ahead and open this up.
Why?
So you're going to be painting the floor and the posts, okay? And that'll get up on the walls.
Okay, Dad.
Now, remember, try to keep it off of your clothes, okay? We'll just paint on the wood. Better get the drone out of here.
Now there's the paint in here.
Yep, that's where we're gonna put the paint.
I'm so excited, Dad.
Yay, me too. All right.
I think we finished.
We're all done. We have to actually paint now. Okay. All right. Yep, just start painting the floor. This ought to be entertaining. Probably lasts for about 5 minutes. You're doing a great job staining the floor like that. All right, just have fun. I've got this old painter's pole that I'm gonna attempt to use here. Should be able to reach pretty high up without getting the ladder.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, let Dad get some paint on here.
I did a bit of paint.
Yep. This wood is just drinking up this stain. We'll probably have to buy at least 2 more cans to get this thing fully covered. For a 3-year-old, she's doing pretty good.
I am getting pretty good.
Yeah, you are. Getting lots of painting done.
Getting lots of paint done. Getting lots of paint done. Lots of paint done. Lots of paint done. Now we need a little bit more paint.
All right, there you go. More paint.
Now I need some more paint.
Okay. There you go.
I need some more paint. Don't look like a scary spider.
A scary spider? It'll be okay.
Shoo! Go away! Go away. Go the way.
We got most of the first coat done on the front and about a half of the wall over here on this side. Emma got the floor pretty well done down here, and then this side has about halfway up as well before we ran out of our paint, or stain I should say. So I found a full can of paint up here, yeah, that we're going to be using for the inside. And I just realized that I have enough of this board here to make the door, so that's going to be pretty exciting. So, are you whistling? All right, so yeah, we're just going to be using this paint right here. It's an interior paint, but you can't see that. There you go. But it should work just fine inside here where it's going to be pretty dry. Can you do it?
That means you can do it.
Okay, watch this. You take this little pointy side and you stick it in here, okay? And you go boop, boop, like that.
Oh, that's what we did too?
Yep.
That's a memo.
Okay.
Ah.
Alright. Cool. Alright, let's pour it in our pan over here.
Oh, pen.
You
The one in a pen.
Yep.
Oh.
Alright. I haven't quite finished the painting of the playhouse yet, but it is good enough that I'm going to go ahead and finish up the series. I still have to paint a little under the eaves and have to use a brush to get all of the stuff that the big roller can't reach. But the white stain is definitely doing a good job here at keeping this place white. I also have to bring that same brush and get the cracks of the T111 there. And I will probably also paint up under here too. But the temperature is too cold to do that right now. So I'm just gonna have to call it done at the moment. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, notification bell, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear what you have to say. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.